Hello guys, welcome back to Template Warriors. And in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create a beautiful certificate like this. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive into it. Alright, so first of all, you have to change the layout here. So under the Home tab, you have to change the layout to blank, and then move on to the Design tab. So from the Design tab, you have the slide size, customize it. So from here, click here and change it to A4. So the landscape is selected, leave it as it is, and click on OK, and then maximize. Alright, so the first thing I want you to do here is to right click on the shape here and go to format background. So from there, the background, the select field has been selected. So leave it as it is and click on the color here. So then come and click on this color. So we go back to the color here and go to more colors. So from there, you see we have the new color, we have the current color. So use this one to control it. So as you are moving it down or top, you can see this one is changing. Alright, so I'll go with this color. I think this way is not bad. So I'll go with this one. Alright, so next thing again that I would like us to do is to go to the Insert tab. We are now going to start inserting some shapes there. So right click here and come and click on this shape. So that's the right angle triangle. So click on it. Just click here to be inserted. Alright, so with this shape, remove the outline. So the color of it, for this shape, we want the color to be different. So just when you come to the right side of the screen, you see the properties of it will appear here. So if in case you don't have this one, so just apply right click on it this way and click on format shape, it will appear. Alright, so with this one we are going to the gradient field, not just a solid field, we want it to be gradient. So from there you see we have the preset gradients. So just click on it and click on this one. Alright, so with this we are not stopping there, we are coming here. So the first color, which is this one, you see, select it and click here and click on this one. So the second color, which is this one, alright, so let's leave that one, but the third one, let's click on it and then click on this color right here. Alright, so I'm just going to gently align it somewhere around here. So and then increase the size. Alright, so I'm going to leave it this way for now. Alright, so again, I'm just going to go back to the Insert tab, go to Shapes. So Insert tab, we have the shapes here. So I'll then click on the rectangle shape. So just come and draw it this way. So remove the outline and the shape field, choose black. So gently rotate it this way. I think this way is not bad, and reduce the size. Alright, so you can use the arrow keys to move it around. If you are finding it difficult to use your mouse to position it the way you want it to be, you can use the arrow keys to move it around. Alright, so with this, I'm just going to make another copy here. Alright, so I'm just going to bring this one here. So I align it at the top left corner. Alright, so I'm bringing this one somewhere around here. Alright, so this one, let's send it to the back. You see, as it's selected, we have the shape format here. So we have to have something like send backward. So just click on it a couple of times, you just send it to the back. Alright, so then come and take this one also, make another copy. So rotate that one also as well. So place it on this one. Alright, so I'm using my arrow keys again right now to move it around. So with this one, let's send that one also to the back. I think this way. Alright, so we are not done there. We are again moving on to the next step. Alright, so I just want to position this one well. Alright, so here we are moving on to the next step, which is to make another copy of this one right here. So with this one, I will increase the height a little. The size a little, sorry, not height, the size. Alright, and also let's increase height here. Alright, so then let's now send it to the back. So the color of it, you see, as it's selected, you see, let's go to the properties of it, which is right here. Let's click on the gradient field. It will automatically use this color, which we used earlier on as a gradient. Alright, so then make another copy of this one here and place it on top. Alright, so I think this one, let me send it to the back a little. So I'll bring this one also backwards a little. Alright, so let's send this one also to the back. Alright, so I think this way is not bad. Alright, so next thing again I would like us to do is to start inserting the text box here. So go to the insert tab. We have a text box right here. Just click on it and click here to be inserted. Alright, so the first text that we have to insert here will be certificate. So with this certificate, just select it this way. The font of it, go with impact. And the size will go with 54. Alright, let's italize it. Alright, so I'll gently align it somewhere around here. So I'll make another copy here. So and change this one, the size, I'll go with 24. I'll remove the italic. So with this one, that will be of appreciation. So you select all of it by using the Ctrl A to select all. Align it to the center. Choose this one and the color, let's go with this color. Alright, so I'm just going to send it to the top a little. So now let's make another copy here by pressing and holding the Ctrl key and drag using your left mouse button to click, hold and drag to duplicate. So with this one, let's change the font of it to something like semi-bold and we'll go with 18. The color, let's go with color black. Alright, so we are changing the text to proudly presented to. Alright, so it is, I'll also gently align it here. So and make another copy here. So with this one, we are changing it to name and surname. So that will be where you place the name and the surname. So select this all. So with here, come here and choose Edwardian script. And the size, let's go with 66. Make it bold. And the color, let's go with this color. Alright, so I'll take this one also and make another copy. So here has to be the description of the certificates. So for the sake of this video, I'm just going to randomly generate a text there. So the text at least I'll go with one paragraph with 3 lines. Alright, so I'm using this one for the sake of this video. So let's take this one also and make another copy here. So we are changing this one to date. Alright, so that one also, I think we'll gently align it here and make another copy to the right, and that one will be the signature. Alright, so now let's go to the insert tab. We are going to insert a line on top. So go to shapes, we have a line here, click on it, gently come and draw your straight line this way. Alright, so I think this way is not bad. So increase it and leave it and make it 1.25. So the color of it, choose black. Alright, so I'll take this one also and make another copy here. Alright, so now I'm just going to, I want to align this one well so we can insert a medal in between the date and the signature. So the alignment, I'm changing it small. Alright, So now the method that we have to insert here, I have it in my device, so I simply have to go to this insert, go with pictures. If you have to work with online, go with online pictures, but I'm going with this device because I have it in my device. So I'll click here and click on insert, or I'll simply just double click on it to insert it. Alright, so I'm just reducing the size so that it will fit well. Alright, so let's send this one to the top a little. Alright, so let me zoom out a little so you can see how our design looks like. Alright, so as you can see, our certificate looks nice and clean. Thank you so much for watching, and see you later in my next video.